It didn't work the first 2 times, but now I've got 2 firecrackers worth and wadding. Let's see. Woo. Yeah, it worked that time. I don't think I'm going to be able to find it though. Oh, alright. I thought it went into there, but see, over there is where I launched it. Here it is. This back end was made to fit the inside bore of that cannon. Then I made a little end piece right there to center up the rocket with it. And that was the 3rd test. A couple things I changed between the test. It seemed like the fuse hole on the cannon was getting too large through repeated test. So I went ahead and pushed in a bronze piece. Maybe help it prevent it from turning into a larger hole. I don't know how well that showed up on the video. But you see the cannon is still in place, still good. Of course, you know, I just had it packed down in there like that. See, all the way down to the bottom, it's flush. So that little gap you all saw, that's how much charge it had. Well, that was 2 firecrackers. And yeah, that actually went pretty well. A lot better than my first firecracker rocket I experimented with. Hell yeah. Have a good one.